It's me, Elise, and in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to withdraw MATIC Polygon from Trust Wallet. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as I don't have the app in my location, I'll be just using this text to help you. So I'll guide you along the way. And if you have any more questions, then leave it on the drop box below, and I will be sure to reply to all of them. So the first thing you want to do is open your Trust Wallet and make sure that it is installed properly. And after that, launch your Trust Wallet in your phone. And what you want to do is access your MATIC wallet. And if you're not already in the MATIC wallet, navigate to it. Then click on tap on send or withdraw option, whichever one you're looking for. It will usually be represented by an arrow pointing out of a box. So look at it and see where it is in your phone. So the next step you want to do is you would want to enter your recipient's address, so input the address to which you are sending your MATIC tokens to, and then you will enter the amount that you want to specify, and confirm the transaction details after that as well. So after this step, what you want to do is you can confirm your withdrawal, and once you're satisfied with the transaction details, click on confirm and wait for the confirmation. You'll be sent a confirmation for the transaction, and then check your transaction status if it was successful. So these are just 9 steps that you need to do in order to transfer your tokens. So if this video was helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's Millie signing off. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much.